Welcome back. My name's Amanda. If you don't know me, my husband's Dana. We got a Garvee beehive to review. This hive is actually cedar. My others are pine, so I'll be excited to see what it does in the sun. So we'll open it all up. It's a 10-frame hive. Oh, look at that. That's nice.
So Amanda just got this box opened up with her new Garvee hive in it.
There's
Some assembly required.
some assembly.
Start getting everything out of the box and see what's what.
These would all be for the frames. Very nice. Let's see. And our bottom board.
Looks like some heavy duty cedar.
Yeah. Well, it's all coated with wax. There we go. They are heavily waxed, which is awesome. There's little doors, little viewing points. There's little plastic vents that go over. That is the side of a super. So here's a super, and then we have deeps over here, which also have a viewing point. Those are nice, and I'm excited to see it with our summer heat. It gets 100 plus, and our bees get hot. So maybe opening them up on the side, let them vent a little, will help with them regulating. These are all cedar. My other hives are pine. So cedar. I also got a queen excluder. These are a 10-frame hive. Top board came with it. And the only difference is what we'll probably do is put a vent on the top. Where? For the little latches and doors, the viewing points. We've got all the deeps, some assembly required. And then we also have the honey supers, which I use actually as brood boxes. Here's the top. The only difference in these that I've seen is the slats.
So we got everything from the Garvee beehive kit is out here on the table, and just a little assembly required, and we'll hit that now. Fast forward a little bit. Boop, 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 boop. And there you go, it's all built. Yeah, beautiful looking hive, well assembled.
Yeah, nope. Looks good. And I cannot.
All right.
Garvee hive.
The Garvee unboxing.
Yeah, and it looks like all the hardware's in there too. So those are more for the frames.
Assemble a super frame. So we got our side rails here for our frame. Your top rail. And your bottom rail. Oop. So I'll throw it off the table there. Now there's nails in the kit you can use, or we're gonna go ahead and use this finishing stapler to assemble all this. So what I always do is, we've got our top piece right here, our top bar. We'll go ahead and put the sides on this. And then, like I said, I'm gonna use my staple gun. You could just as easily nail this with the nails that come in the kit. But this is just so much quicker. Okay, so now we got our top bar and our sides. We just have to get our super frame tucked inside here. And then we have our bottom rail. It's a little finicky as you get it lined up. Make sure your plastic frame is in the bottom rail. Everything is secure, locked in place. So we'll go ahead and make sure we hold it tight together as it's trying to come apart on me there. Then we'll hit it with a couple staples. All right, and that is a fully assembled super frame, ready to go. So we got all 10 of the super frames are now fully assembled and ready to put in the super box. And so we're gonna go ahead, and do a deep frame next. So we got one of the deep frames right now ready for assembly. You can see we've got almost the same parts laid out, top rail, bottom rail, our side rail. Side rail is of course longer for the deep frame, and our frame itself. So let's go ahead and get this all assembled, and next thing you know, I'll have all the frames assembled.
Look how pretty that is.
Well, that looks really nice.
Look at that. That looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
There we go.
So we got the whole hive fully assembled now.
Here's the bottom board. To put up our first box. Here, we can do it kind of like that. So,
Perfect.
then we're gonna fill it with all the frames.
So we got all the frames assembled over here. There is 20 deep frames. And these are all coated in wax.
These don't appear to be cedar, but I don't believe any of the frames usually are. So, you'll get to see a 10 frame.
Not something you normally see on our channel. We like 8 frames, but there's space for 10.
I do like trying different stuff. You never know. Turns out you think you wouldn't like something, and then you do.
Nothing like trying different bee equipment.
And then you try something out that you think's just gonna be like the best thing since sliced bread, and it is not.
10 frames.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. That's very nice.
And then we got another brood box, another deep to put on there.
We do.
So it's a double brood box hive.
Look at that. They are beautiful.
The little turnies to keep the windows open. Oh, it's stuck.
Yeah, that one
Yeah,
does not like to scooch.
I see that.
That's why I cinched
Whoa.
down the knob.
Cut.
I cinched it down so that when you pull it, it's
Got the last 10 frames going in now.
got the last ones. Whoop.
At least for the other brood box.
There we go. These little gnats are
Yeah, we're being
everywhere.
attacked by gnats out here. So trying to work.
It's summer.
There's gnats in the studio. If you can call this a studio, we're just out in the barn with the quail behind us. Gnats in our face.
It's real.
The reality. This is reality.
This is real.
There you go.
No way I hear.
So that's our double brood boxes. And then
Look at that.
if you're going to assemble this in the field, we'd put the queen excluder on next.
Yes. We would put the queen excluder on if you've got your 2 brood boxes.
We'll pretend we got our bees in there right now.
Look at that.
Exclude
Very
our
nice.
queen. That looks good. All frames in there. And we've got the super now going on the top. And we've got some super frames to go in here. The super frames.
Supers. Be the tall one in here.
Yeah, you need me to get those for you here.
I can see through the window. See?
Well, you can. Look at that. Windows open.
Window's open.
We don't normally keep it this high, but it's up on the table, so. Oh, that looks good.
Doesn't it?
There's so much honey coming out of this thing.
It's beautiful.
It smells. They're stuck. Sorry. It smells like cedar. It smells excellent. Straighten it back out. Okay, and then we have the inner cover.
Okay. Inner cover. Doesn't really matter on this one which way.
It doesn't have a notch on it yet. We're gonna take a notch and put it on there to vent the inner cover. And then the outer cover.
And then the outer. Finish it off. And there we go.
Beautiful.
One comes out very easy. And see, you'll be able to see. I'm hoping with summer, these will help.
Help ventilate a little bit if you get it too
Yeah.
hot. Shouldn't say if you get it too hot. If the bees get too hot.
If the bees get
Nature
too
makes
hot.
them too hot. That's all that wax there.
Yeah, that's the wax.
There are the windows on the side of the Garvee hive. So you can check at least on your last frame or add a little extra ventilation to them.
And I cannot say enough about the smell of cedar. It just smells wonderful.
Next time you see this hive, it'll be on the live stream with some bees in it.
It's very nice.
Yeah, it looks good. It's a good looking hive.
Really like it. It's cute. It has their little bee symbol